Even though there may be times.
Hi. We're doing Diana Ross and the Supremes, number 3, and I've only sang it 2 days ago for the first time. Thank you so much. Woo.
My wife has a little fan club. It's a little joke, but the people at the front table all, kind of clap and cheer when she goes up to sing. Unlike a lot of karaokes, and I don't mean to down others, but there's some phenomenal singers here. We have a good time.
I sing everything from Paul Anka to Bobby Vinton to Tony Bennett to Frank Sinatra to Dean Martin, Smokey Robinson, and so forth.
I came with karaoke, who's my fiance, for about 4 years. And then about 2 years ago, I decided I'd get up and sing. We have met so many amazing people here, and we're all like family. When something happens to someone, we all keep in touch. Everybody fills everybody in on how someone is doing.
We're here at the New York Pizza and Pasta. We love it here. The crowd is absolutely great. Great people here, and we love the food here. We like the pizza. The pizza's great. But we have a great time, and we enjoy ourselves here. So all I can do is tell you, doing karaoke is an outlet for enjoying yourself.